Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lillian, and as always, I am so happy for you to be here today. And this is a special video. It is a celebration. Woo! It's a party. Those are my little confettis to celebrate 500 subscribers. In fact, as of right now, I have 505 new subscribers. You guys don't know how happy I am that you have opted to subscribe to my channel, and that is just I'm at a loss of words. I really am. I just want to let you know that I am super excited that you are here with me to join me in this journey. Now, I'm going to make this brief because I don't want to take up too much of your time, because I just have a little giveaway I want to do. I think you guys deserve a giveaway because that's how excited I am. And it is my 500 subscriber giveaway. This is a milestone. This is a milestone for me, you guys, because I'm really excited. You have no idea. And I remember when I reached 100 subscribers, and I just couldn't believe it. That was 100 subscribers. I'm like, oh my gosh. There's people that want to see what I'm doing. So that just, I'm just so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me do a really quick flip through of this. Let me give you some of the giveaway rules. And what you have to do is you have to be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you already are, of course. And then like this video. And also, the most important is you have to comment down below. It could be, it could be an emoji. It could be telling me what you like about this, or just telling me what you like about my channel. Positive comments are always encouraged. I'm just so happy that you guys are here with me. So let me know also in the comments if you like that you want to be entered into this drawing. And I will be selecting a winner on Wednesday, and I believe that's March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. So I will be selecting a winner on Wednesday. So, yep, that's all you have to do. All right. And let me give you a really quick flip through of this. Now, I do have some of these on my Etsy, but I am giving you one of these today. This is a project that was inspired by Gina at the Firefly Studio 67. And I'm going to link her video down below so you could see how she made this. And it's from a paper bag. And I was totally inspired to create one. And so I watched her video. She does a great tutorial on how to create this. And so I made a few of my own, and it was a super fun project to do. So I have wrapped it with some of this taupe colored trim. And then so you could see, now isn't that cool? This was a paper sack. It was a lunch paper sack. Now, I'm also going to link below. I've done a flip through of these. And so I'll link the video down below so that you could see this and others that I've made that are very similar. And I think I go into detail about it. So it'll be down below. Gina's will be down below, and then my video as well. But this is what I'm giving away, you guys. I'm so excited. And it's collaged all on the outside of it. And it's like this little clutch. It's just so amazing. It feels great. It almost feels like a little leather bag. So you can use it however you like. It's also decoupaged on the inside, and both inside and out, it does have a nice coating of matte medium. And so it just feels amazing. And then inside the pocket, I have slipped in a little journal, and it's almost like a traveler's notebook size. Okay. What are the dimensions? All of that information I will list down below. But look at how cute this is. Also decoupaged on the exterior. And this right here was made from repurposing 2 junk mail envelopes. And that's what that cover is. It is 2 envelopes that have been collaged, both on the outside and the inside, and again, covered with a nice matte medium. And so there's a little Rita Donnelly talk, some little ephemeras here, and then there's some stamping and some words all kinds of fun papers throughout. Little pockets here. And then a nice little clip right there. More pockets. Here's some, I think this is calligraphy paper, and then some packaging paper, little paper clip. See, fun, beautiful papers, you guys. Some stamping, and then this is a cute little pocket right here. I really like these little pockets. I made a bunch of them. I almost forgot that I had these. And so it's just a book page folded up, and with little pockets here on the side with some tags. And so I'll just put that back and clip it here on the side. Yeah, how fun! So here you go. And then some old magazine page, some little stenciling. Oh, here's folded up. Here's a little pocket. So it's just a fun little notebook. Oh, and there's a little heart charm in here. I love heart charms. They are my favorite. So that is right in the center. Look at how beautiful that is. Can you see that? Yes, so cute. Okay, I want to make sure I'm not out of focus. And look at that. Just so many great little papers in here. Folded up, little pocket. That. I think this is great for, well, for anything, but also for grocery lists, to-do lists. It's a perfect size to take with you. You can even use it as a wallet. You know, you could put the little book and then put your little cards in here and take it with you to the grocery store. Date night, you can take it to date night with you. Look at how cute this is. Ah, gosh, I forgot I made these too. Isn't that cute? So there's a little journaling card. And then that is a book page that's been folded in half and then folded over a little bit just to make this other little pocket with a little tag there. Some more journaling spot. Oh, I need to make more of these. This is cute. My gosh, I forget what I make, you guys. And that's it. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? And then it just fits so nicely right here into the little paper bag clutch. You would never know this was a paper bag, you guys. So go over to Gina's and show her some love. Again, I'm linking her video down below, but yeah. So good luck to all of you guys. Don't forget, comment down below. Let me know you want to be entered into this giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it. And yeah, all that fun stuff. And then I will enter you in a drawing, and I will draw a name again on Wednesday, March 17th, and then make a video announcing the winner. And yeah, super fun. So, and if you are interested in any of these or any of my other journals, I have all the information. There's always so much information down below. If you just click show more, you'll see a link to my Etsy shop if you want to go take a look to see what I have over there. But yeah, one of you is going to receive this one. So I'm so excited for you guys. Again, thank you so much for being here with me and for helping me reach 500. I think that is so amazing. And I'm so happy. The first person that I let know yesterday when I reached 500 was my sister, because I couldn't believe it. And yeah, and you know, she's kind of been watching, you know, my YouTube channel grow, and so she was really excited about that. And then I shared it on Instagram, and so that was fun. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for being here and for supporting my YouTube journey. So I'm really grateful to you. You guys take care. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Thank you so much. Bye.